Bataka mtwire mukelezia babanza kumutwara mbuga za district omu council okumutera herisho lya muheru no kugamba ebintu byakolire ekigego.
He did a lot for the development of Chegegwa district, the nation at large, and the well-being of our people. We thank him for that good heart. We shall continue praying for you. Rest in peace.
He has led people, but he has been an example to each and everyone. He has worked so hard for everyone. That's why all of us are here to give testimony to what he did.
Ebintu ebirukumwijukwaho harimo okutinda entindo ibiri orwa Katunga hamwe n'orwa Muzizi okushaya district ya Kyenjojo kuruga hari Kabarore bwayima yazire Kyegegwa okombeka ekereziya ya Mayira hamwe n'ebindi.
Akarwana muno ka member parliament tekaho connection ya Ankole and Bunyoro sub-regions. Katonga was a problem and Muzizi, but during his time and you had his Muzizi na Katonga habaho connection from Ankole region. You cannot forget that.
Omujenzi Kandore akajwekera chaka Kyegegwa emirundi 3 mu NRC omwaka gwa 1995 kandi yajwekera omu-CA omwaka gwa 1996 omu Parliamenti omwaka gwa 1996 okusinka 2001 kandi yagarika yaba RDC wa district ya Kamuri omwaka gwa 2001 okusinka 2003 yayongera yatoranwa kuba RDC wa Mbarara omwaka gwa 2004.
Nyowe habwange ko mwebembezi wa Kyaka Central mwegire ibintu bingi na muno gonza abantu kuhereza abantu kugabira buntu tarukumayo no arakuyamba nyingi kandi ndora kimonti buli muntu ekirunge cyo kuro muntu kigaruka no muntu okurorero waratera munyabuzale wawo nyinshi na sokufura ukera mu mugaso.
Abanyadini basima omujenzi ahabo butashiroro mu dini kandi bashabe bembezi abari mu ntebe okore ebintu byona batari kushorora.
Tumumanyire nkowekerezia chonke kiti kya mutangaga kwija mu kanisa saba nawe semererwa nawe utekaho na Easter utekaho ni kibanzo omwaka naza kuziko mu makaje omucyaro cya Mayira Buringo Parish Kabweza sub county Gashoka Philip Murangira.